Are you ready to go back?
Yes.
You bring a flag. We will make sure that you go in style.
Waiting for you.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.
Tapi tajam-tajam.
Forum in Finland, Foreign Ministry Finland.
From Finland and Joha will be arriving in I think arrive already in Jakarta.
Yeah, they're wrapping.
Yeah, I think by tomorrow they will go to Aceh. Yes, and then also very soon, Irwandi will go there, and then also the wife of
Billy's
wife, Sadia, you know.
To Aceh.
She will be going to Aceh and Irwandi. This is our advance party to work together with the EU monitoring team. And then also Tengku Muhammad, our Tengku Muhammad, and all his our friends with him. I think about 5 of them.
Six, including Jafar.
Will be released on the 22nd. And then for that matter, we have already assigned at least 3 persons to the monitoring team to go back immediately to Aceh and join Irwandi with the EU team on the field. And then in the meantime, Tengku Muhammad and probably another one, we will try to bring it here very soon. Yes. And then all the other prisoners of Achenese, prisoners in Java or in Aceh will be soon released. Yeah. So we see there are a lot of things we have to do in the future in Aceh, but perhaps very soon we have to go back to Aceh. Yes, very soon. Yeah.
Is he ready to go?
Yeah?
The best, eh?
Yeah, that's the best we have reached so far for this time. Yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready to go back?
Yes.
You bring a flag. We will make sure that you go in style.
Waiting for you.
You know, our flag will be raised in Aceh. Officially, they will raise in Aceh. So there are so many other things.
It will be 209.
2009.
2009.
Yeah, 2009 we'll have our own parliament as part of the self-government.
2009.
Yes, yes.
Not now.
Not now. Yeah.
This will be step-by-step exercise, you know. Yeah. And then these people, Demin and many others, our friends from outside, we will bring to Aceh as well. And we will assign all jobs for them. And we will give citizenship for them.
Willy actually, isn't it?
Abu Willy. Kuala Lumpur, Tugai Hudud.